For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
The Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanams has temporarily suspended the issuance of free Sarvadarshan tokens due to COVID-19. The free tokens were issued on a day-to-day basis to pilgrims who visit Tirupati without booking. Free Darshan tokens were issued at TTD's Bhudevi complex near Alipiri bus station in Tirupati. The TTD has taken the decision following increase in number of COVID-19 cases in Tirupati. Chittoor District Administration has declared Tirupati town as a containment zone. The district administration has also announced a total lockdown for 14 days. Over 3,000 tokens were being issued under the current booking system every day. TTD has been issuing 9,000 special entry darshan tokens online on a daily basis. TTD officials said resumption of free darshan tokens would be announced after the situation returns to normalcy. TTD officials are yet to take a call on closing the temple for darshan. Over 1/3 of COVID-19 cases in Chittoor district are reported from Tirupati. The entire Tirupati city has been declared as a containment zone. Shops and other essential services will remain functional only till 11 a.m. Medical shops, milk booths and other emergency services will remain open throughout the day. Total lockdown has been imposed in Tirupati till August 5th. Chittoor Collector Narayana Bharat Gupta said there is an urgent need to contain the spread of the virus. There is an urgent need to contain the spread of coronavirus in Tirupati. We are going to strictly enforce a lockdown for 14 days in Tirupati. The average mortality rate is 2.3% a day in the district. All business establishments, including push carts, hawkers and mobile vending units, will have to close down by 11 a.m. The rules are also applicable for liquor shops, banks and other outlets. The Chittoor collector expressed concern over each of 50 divisions in Tirupati registering over 20 cases. The district collector said he will review the situation at the end of this month and announce the next step. Meanwhile, Chittoor SP Avula Ramesh Reddy has appealed traders to cooperate with the authorities to contain the spread of COVID-19. We need to take care to contain the spread of coronavirus in Tirupati due to the mix of local residents and floating population. I request the traders and all business outlets to extend cooperation to the authorities in their efforts to contain the virus. Several priests in Tirupati temple reportedly tested positive for COVID-19. A circle inspector and a home guard died of COVID-19 in Tirupati. There are 9 health centers apart from Ruya and SVIMS hospitals treating COVID-19 patients. Tirupati Lord Venkateshwara Shrine is the richest temple in India and attracts crores of devotees from across the country and abroad.